What is the common thing between you and Virat? Like, is it because you're that enthu and that pura dil jaan se khelna type? वैसे
Maybe one that we are from this place.
दिल्ली
हम
दिल्ली
दोनों
के
यहाँ
लौंडे।
से सोचते हैं
हाँ
उसी एरा में निकले यहाँ से, वैसा ही कुछ प्रेशर शायद झेलते हैं,
हाँ
शायद वो ग्राफ वैसा ही है. And yeah, these are similarities and I like him. He's genuinely somebody who's a nice guy. It's very rare nowadays to find someone who's genuinely nice. He's utterly funny. He can crack anyone up. And
बॉन्डिंग होती है स्पोर्ट्समैन में या because
not with everyone. We are always respectful with each other. Him and me, we bonded more because of the reasons that we talked about. But whenever I meet different sports personalities, the common bond is always there that we play sports, we play for the country. But it's not very often that we keep in touch. But me and Virat do because of other things that we talked about. But
उसके लिए भी उनके लिए भी diet, discipline,
Yes.
all this plays a big
Yes.
role, right?
Yes.
I heard that he also is like very, very conscious
Yes.
about
Yes.
his workout, his
Yes.
food.
And look what it has given him. When you see him on the pitch, on the ground, you see a distinctly different personality from as compared to others. Look at his longevity. Look at the way he runs between the wickets. Look at the way he applies himself. Talent is one thing, but if he doesn't take care of himself, which he does tremendously well, he will not be able to do what he's doing. I mean, when did you see him last not giving his best or not being fit? Yeah, making runs and not making runs is a different part. You will
There's
miss.
a whole group of people, fans, who think that I'm asking you because whether you also feel that when he was that angry, aggressive guy, gali galoch or whatever, and he would look at a Pakistani and he would fight against a Pakistani. Then came that where he changed. You saw less of that physical aggression. He played well, yes, but less of the physical aggression, and he was actually backslapping the Pakistani players and everybody like यार उसको दोस्त बना लिया तुम उससे aggression कैसे उसके against खेल कैसे सकते हो फिर
No, I think he's the same. I think the two footages you're talking about is one inside the game and one post the game.
post the game, yeah.
Post the game, he's going to be like that.
How are
Post-
you when you are
Post the game is done. Post the game, it'll take some time, but it's done.
click here to watch the full episode.